What are your goals for the new year? What are your goals for the new year? What are your goals for the new year? I wanna tell you mine. I want to exercise, I want to exercise, I wanna do push-ups, I wanna do push-ups, I wanna stretch every day, I wanna stretch every day, I want to run every week, I want to run every week. Exercise, push-up, stretch, run. Exercise, push-up, stretch, run. This year let's have some fun. This year, let's have some fun. What are your goals for the new year? What are your goals for the new year? I wanna tell you mine. I wanna get up early, I wanna get up early, I wanna save money, I wanna save money, I wanna clean my room, I wanna clean my room, I wanna climb once a week, I wanna climb once a week. Get up, save, clean, climb. Get up, save, clean, climb. This year is our time. This year is our time. What are your goals for the new year? What are your goals for the new year? I wanna tell you mine. I wanna improve my computer skills. I wanna improve my computer skills. I wanna study more, I wanna study more, I wanna read books, I wanna read books, I wanna learn a new skill, I wanna learn a new skill. Improve, study, read, learn. Improve, study, read, learn. This year, it's my turn. This year, it's my turn. What are your goals for the new year? What are your goals for the new year? I wanna tell you mine. I want to meditate, I want to meditate, I wanna be more patient, I wanna be more patient, I wanna try new things, I wanna try new things, I wanna make something, I wanna make something. Meditate, be, try, make. Meditate, be, try, make. This year, let's make it great. This year, let's make it great. What are your goals for the new year? What are your goals for the new year? Tell me your goals for the new year.